In this demo, I will be demonstrating the parts list module portion of illumicloud.com. For when building your elevations, you have your cut sheets and your parts list and shot drawings and all that great stuff. So we'll open up the elevation that we've been working with, and that is this elevation right here. So we've now got this new link here, this action link called parts list, and also in our quick email right here, so you don't have to dig down into the cut sheets or parts list. You can email the cut sheet, part list, shot drawing, or door schedule to yourself or to anyone that you choose. So for the parts list of this elevation that we're working with, this is the one that we've been working with in the demos. We will click on the parts list. The same options are available in the parts list that are available in the cut sheet link. You can print the parts list. You can quick view the parts list in the textual type format, or you can email the parts list to yourself or to anyone. So let's go ahead and see what the print version looks like. So I've clicked on the print part list for that particular elevation for that particular project. So here at the top, you'll notice we've got the title of the parts list. We've also have the name of the project, and it's the same elevation that we've been working with. And we've got the stock links here. Now these titles in the groupings may change later on. And some of the formatting may change later on, but for demo purposes, it's to demonstrate that it is about 80 to 95% complete at this point. So just for instance, this one right here has a total of stock links that you would have to order. You need 4 of them. It's a wall jamb. The wall jambs are also the verticals that split up the vase. So we've got wall jamb vertical on there. That's the part number. The stock length. This particular part, which is the wall jamb and or the vertical that splits open the vase, is a 288 inches. So you need 4 of those at 288 inches. To make up the entire elevation, your total length needed is 886 inches. This will leave you a loss of 266 inches. So you have 266 inches left over after purchasing enough aluminum at that stock length of 288 inches. And this is all based on if you're this one elevation. In instances where you've got 10 elevations or 8 elevations, all of those numbers will be rolled up. You will be able to look at them individually like we're looking at them now, or it will be rolled up and those losses will be carried over and applied to the other elevations. And down here for our gaskets, we've got, you're going to need 2 rolls of that EPDM gaskets. Typical roll length is 500 feet. You need a total of 540 feet, and you've got a loss of 459. So that comes in kind of helpful. And when you get ready to print, you just right click on the screen, and your parts list is now in print format, so you can print it at this point. Okay. For quick view is the textual view. It'd be this may be the chosen format for mobile devices, your your iPads or whatever it is that you're using for a mobile device to quick view parts list that may be needed. It's the same information that we just looked at for the print view. This is just giving it to you in a textual format. And just like with the cut list, you can email it to yourself. So let's go ahead and email this. The whole deal about being able to drill down and email, view, and share parts list, cut sheets, shot drawings, the elevation, a particular door schedule, is extremely handy. In this demo, we've just been working with this one project, with this one elevation. Whenever we get over into situations to where we've got 10 elevations, it won't. It's such a hassle to have to drill down and find a particular elevation, a particular door schedule, a particular cut sheet, part list, whatever it is on a big project, or send that to someone that you're working with to have them dig down and look for a particular page number. It's just a hassle. The way that this is going to work is that you can just quickly click on the project, click on that elevation, and immediately go right to the parts list that you need and send it to Joe Blow or whoever is going to be receiving that parts list or cut sheet, whatever it is that you're needing to share with someone else. Okay, there it is. So we've received this parts list that was sent to me by this other guy here. So your parts list is attached to this email in reference to project, shop drawing project, demo project, elevation, and there. So it's sent just the parts list for that elevation or that shop drawing to whoever it is that you send it to, or if you send it to yourself. At this point, it can be saved to your desktop. You can email it to someone else. You can roll it up into your own PDF, however you find fit that would best fit a particular need for a particular time. And also, too, you can also see the same information from the builder itself. So if you're working on a project and you need to reference something that's similar to a project that you've worked on in the past, or you're working on two at the same time, and you like the way the other one's coming out, you can access that same information from the builder. You don't have to leave the builder and mess up the elevation that you're working on now to go to your account manager and drill down and find information that's important that could be applied to this elevation from one that you worked on in the past. So it's all the information that's available in the manager is also available right from the builder. So there's the parts list that we were looking at, and here's the quick view. Maybe you want to make sure you're using the right part number on this elevation that you're working on now, and compare it to an elevation that you've already built previously. So this concludes the parts list demo module.